Good afternoon, YouTube. I hope you're all well as usual. The Raptor painting, can't bloody wait. I've gone around the van. It's taken about 3 days. I've prepped the van. I think I've prepped it all properly. I'll give you a little look around, show you what I've done. But yeah, Stuart's coming tomorrow, so I need to get all ready, prepared for Stuart from Legacy Customs to come down, Raptor paint the van, and God, it needs it. I cannot wait. So let me give you a little look around and I'll show you what I've done. So if you remember the door side, that was all rust. There was quite a bit of rust all around it. So what I've done, I've rubbed it down, treated it with, back to bare metal, treated it with Kurust, etch primered it all the little bits I think's rust or could potentially become rust. I've rubbed it down and etch primered it. Also, I've primered the, I've sanded the whole van, so there's no shine to it at all. The whole van's been done with 120 grit on a decent sander. No shine at all to it. This was the bad arch. This arch was a nightmare, but it's all rubbed down, all back to bare metal, treated, etch primered. Should be alright now. Yeah, this is what we got. Saturday morning, I'm at the works car park, ready to prep the van and do as much as I can before Stuart gets here, just to save a bit of time. He's about 80 miles away. So the van's already sanded, I think to his standard. I need to take round the windows and everything else, but more importantly, bacon sandwich time. Saturday morning, come on, it's got to be done. Stuart's is in the bag. I can't wait for him, can't wait that long. So I'm going to go to work on this and I'll go to work on that. Right, now that's dealt with, let me show you the van quickly. So it's all sanded down with 120 grit, no, yeah, 120 grit all over. The whole van sanded down. All the rust has been taken back to bare metal, treated and etch primered. So the van is completely sanded, everything treated. I've got to get the bumpers off and then start taping around all the windows and everything else before Stuart gets here. We're almost prepped, which is taking a couple of hours. Stuart the man is here. I've got the bumpers off, ready to scratch down. So these are being wrapped to black. The rest of the van is going grey. A few more bits to do. What are we doing?
Degrease next.
Degrease.
Let it dry off. Etch prime any areas that we need to, bare metal, etc. And then adhesion prime any plastics or hard to reach areas.
There you go, the man has spoken. So in these tintable packs, I'll give you a quick look. We've got one bottle of tintable Raptor liner and one bottle of hardener. You literally pour that in, shake it really well and off you go. So the first coat's on and it looks fantastic. He's now got to go round with a texture coat just to fill in the little gaps and bumps and whatever else. Debug it. We're not in the best of places, to be honest. I could have chose a better place. It's a bit of a wind trap down there, it's flying through. But yeah, I'll tell you what I've got to mention is, yes, that's tinfoil. What a great idea. But yeah, one quick texture coat. So the texture coat is on and it looks bloody brilliant, but I'm not going to show you too much until it's all done. So it's been 2 days now. I've kept the van under a shelter and everything just in case it rains. I don't want to ruin the lovely paintwork. And I'm going to give you a little look around. Let us know what you think about the Raptor paint. I think it looks wicked. So first of all, a big shout to you, Stuart. Legacy Customs, thank you so much. You've come down, you've sorted my van out. It looks wicked. I love it. I couldn't have asked for a better. It's the exact colour I wanted. Yeah, looks pucker. I love it. I'll leave in the description where I got the paint from, the paint code if you do like this colour. All Stuart's details I'll put in the description for Legacy Customs. At the moment he's got obviously contact details, email address and number and everything. I'll put all that in. And his page is a Facebook page at the moment, so I'll put the link in for his Facebook page. Go and have a look, give his page a like. If you like anything you see, hit him up for a quote. He's good, believe me, he's good. You can see that just by the work he's done here. bear in mind the conditions. I mean, he's in Birmingham, and he would normally spray inside, obviously in a booth. He had to fight against all the elements. We had the wind flying through the wind tunnel. We was under a tree where I parked the van. There was flies. It just wasn't the best conditions, and we got a finish like this. So I'm well happy with it. And fair play to you, Stuart, for just cracking on with it. You could have refused to do it. I wouldn't have blamed you as well. Where we was parked with that wind, everything else. But no, you done a cracking job, mate. So fair play to Legacy Customs. Big shout to you guys. And hit them up for a quote if you need anything. Just hit him up. He's good. He's really good. So thanks all for watching. Comment, let me know what you think about the job, and be safe.